Khuborjylla lingba katanat social welfare kala Rakhe ke Sngi Iakhun Pyrshah yaki Drok bat ki Khynnah Mraw yaki Kynthei Khynnah International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Traffic ha hotel Vivanta Shillong. Uba polling do Menteri ke social welfare ha kejengkren uloong bagi Sarkar Meghalaya kala Pyrshah borba bante lakam ya kejeng sapriang ki Drok bat yaki Khynnah te Mraw yaki Kynthei Khynnah. Uloong bante lakam bat banrat yakini ki artli ki jing sneu ha ki emlang salang ladon kam banya sei borlang Sarkar bat ki Peit ba. Dei bat don kajaka banya keno iwe pat banrat yakini jing sneu. Katma Pyrshah iki Drok bat kam Khynnah Mraw yaki Kynthei Khynnah kadon haman la ka ying kesem hashnong hathau. Ki Peit ba bat ke Sarkar ki di ban sei teli kawe kabut Khubor ban Iakhun ye kini kijing sneu ki bautan din trai ye ki kenhon jat ban riu baro. Karai ha kini Khubor kalong phikwa ban long kinong job ne kinong sha job ha kini kathma ula pen kut da kijing kali. Ki kenhon bepher ki badon kti ban rat ye kini kijing sneu na ki imlang salang ban nishnong ki thau ki lawan ban shimenta ha kini Sngi Iakhun Pyrshah Drok bat Pyrshah ye ki Khynnah Mraw ye ki Kynthei Khynnah.
There are acts and regulations that are already in existence. We need you to come forward. And the way the VDP in a decade back had fought the rising spurt of crimes in the capital town of Shillong, those years, 15 years back, today that same institution has to be revived. And yes, I understand that there are groups that would like to proactively catch hold of drug traffickers and drug users. But then, please remember that it's a very sensitive subject and one cannot take the law into one's own hands, because ultimately doing that would be to the benefit of the drug traffickers and the drug users. The discussion that will take place soon after this address, I'm sure will unravel the intricacies of the law and empower you through your understanding of what is the correct course of action to take. But as a government, I would once again seek and solicit your support, because we need to come up together and ensure that we get rid and eradicate this problem. The sooner, the better for each one of us, and we can do that through that core belief.
On the current framework of the VDP, we will also be accessing funding from the ministry, from Government of India, and we should be in a position to incentivize volunteers of these VDPs.
How much per person?
We will first go through the suggestions of the Varshnams and then come up with a figure, with an amount, which will at least act as an incentive for them to come forward and spend their time in community. Like the one that we have at Meghalaya, the number of participants, around 30 of them, all of them also received training in various crafts and arts, which they learned in the course of their stay at the addiction camp. And today they all have been empowered one way or another with the training that they improve coordination and convergence between various government departments. That we created a mission called DREAM, which is led at the state level by the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. DREAM involves the departments of social welfare, health, home police, and education. So it is a collaborative effort meant to minimize any possible gaps in the functioning of various departments and to strengthen the collaboration between the various departments. Kami ka pani discussion kabedi bak kami ka bang keji kusno joki beki an ki lon ke jam palat. Di nak kata kadau ngila sebagai ya senior Supreme Court advocate kemudian terdekat kami ka panel discussion kenang bangin yo snow ki provisions yang an bat kumno ngin pendon kami ki tu provisions bat kumno ngin la ban kampen bahaju ju iki te ndai tangkaan jaldi kanom la mentrekam ngidon kam ru ya ka jing ya shimbatalang jongka imlang salam nak kadau misawan dak ni ke framework juga village defense party ke ba ngila ada prai bangin KM Khuborjylla.